guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
In front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to store location. In the beginning, to store location on the navigation, take a look at the screen display and now go to Navigation and Menu. Now go to Set Destination and make sure you've got destinations on Itinerary. Select Store. Now select how you want it to store and tap OK. And then location is now stored. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.